It's October 1st, 2018, and this is what we're having for dinner. I made my homemade slow-cooked meatballs, and you can either eat it with pasta. In this case, I boiled some spaghettini noodles and I top it with my homemade meatballs, or you could just eat it with steamed broccoli. There you go, guys. Kain tayo! It's October 2nd, 2018, and this is what we're having for dinner. I made seafood Cajun fried rice, and we are steaming some dumplings or siomai. There you go. It's a combination of pork, shrimps, water chestnuts, carrots, onions, and we're gonna dip it in our soy sauce and lemon dipping sauce. There you go, guys. Kain tayo. It's October 3rd, 2018, and this is what we're having for dinner. I made my homemade corned beef with garlic, tomatoes, potatoes, and your beef. And of course, I made my wonton soup. And then we're gonna pair it with white basmati rice. Kain tayo. And this is what's for dinner. I made ginisang upo with sardines. Upo is bottle gourd in English. So I sauteed it with onions, garlic, tomatoes, and spicy sardine. And then this is what it looks like. And then I also made homemade longganisa. And of course, we're gonna pair it with white rice basmati. Kain tayo! It's 18, and this is what we're having for dinner today. This is my rice with a little Knorr seasoning and some fried garlic. And this is my homemade beef tapa with fried garlic. And then just gagawa lang tayo ng parang tapsilog. And then I'm just gonna top it with some egg. There you go, guys. Tapsilog for dinner.